How to use your phone camera as a webcam on your PC like laptop or desktop window. So I will show you the perfect process. So let me start the video. Okay, just come to your window browser and in Google search for mobile webcam. Okay, so here you can see some options or websites. So I personally use this one, Droid. Just open it and just scroll down, and you need to download as for the your computer. Okay, just download it for window. Okay, now it's download this the installation files. Okay, so let it installed. Once you install, you need to, once it download, you need to install it. Just click on it. Now it will be start installing your PC. Okay, just install like this, just agree the all, and now it's going to set up on your PC. So let it wait for. Okay, so now it's done. It's done. I just finish it. Now I need to open it. So I just go for search and my app section. This is my app. So it has open. Yeah, here. So here you need to click add the device. Just add it. Now it will be start searching for device. So make sure your device, your mobile app and your window are using the same Wi-Fi or same network. So it will be it is mandate. So you need to use the same network on your PC, on your mobile. So now next step on your mobile. So come to the mobile. Okay guys, so come to your mobile. This is my mobile. Okay, and search for that app in your Play Store or your App Store, which is that Droid Cam, and just install it. This is my app. I just open it. Okay, from Dev 47 apps. Okay, now install it. So it will be start installing. Once in install, just open. Now here you need to continue. Okay, and here require for audio, you need to give permissions. So you can use this while use this app only. Okay, and here you can see some IPs and all, or Wi-Fi IP and device. Okay, so now what you can do, come to the window and just refresh the list. Okay, see here I got this. Okay, and just add the selected device. Now you can add the selected device, then your cam will be enabled. But if while you're refreshing, once you're refreshing, if you don't find, if you're not able to find this your device, then you can use as a manually. Okay, go to the manually, and you need to hit that IP address here, and device name you can give any, like your device name, anything you can give, and Wi-Fi IP should be same. Okay, this Wi-Fi IP, and then click OK, and you can enable audio and just click OK. Then your mobile cam will be connected to your PC as a webcam. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.